Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert image in Excel cells. Open an Excel sheet and let's say I want to add an image here in this cell. So I'll go to this insert button and click on simply on pictures, and I will just simply select any of my picture. And then I will just make it adjustable to this cell. As you can see, it's inserted. So from this format option, I can make changes in this picture, like I can add picture border, picture effects, and many more. As you can see, I can add many effects from here and give some picture borders with the colors, and I can change the weight of the outlines from here. So yeah, this is how you can add a picture in a cell in Excel. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for today.